Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna be doing voluminous bouncy curls. I get a lot of compliments on this hairstyle. I was getting ready, so I thought I should film and share this hairstyle with you guys too. It is very easy, simple, and I will be using a basic technique. So if you want to know how I achieve this look, please keep on watching. So for this hairstyle, you need a hairbrush, flat iron, the hairspray, hair serum, and the hair clip. First of all, brush your hair thoroughly and make sure there is no tangle. I'm going to divide my hair into two sections. My hair is very long and I find it much easier this way. You can go by however you like. I'm taking the front section this much and I'm going to clamp the hair, flip the straightener all the way up, hold it for a few seconds, and release. I'm just gonna finish my left side first, so I'm taking about a section this big. Just make sure you're taking the small section, otherwise you won't be able to get the result you're looking for. So you just clamp the hair, flip the straightener backward, and run the straightener all the way down, hold it for a few seconds, and release. Now I'm going to take another section, flip the straightener, go all the way down, hold it, and let go. Moving on to the other side, I will be using the same technique that I used it on the other side. Now I'm going to flip my hair down and I'm going to shake the curls. I'm going to flip the hair back up. Now I'm going to grab my hair how you usually grab it for your ponytail, and I'm going to wrap it around into a hair bun. And secure it with a hair clip. Now I'm taking a hairspray and slightly spraying my whole hair. And now I'm taking this hair serum, just about a pump, and rub it into my hands. I'm going to apply it over my hair. This product basically prevents any flyaways and secure your hair in place. I will be going over the hairspray one more time and leave it on like this for 15 minutes or so. Now I'm taking the hair clip off, and you can set your hair accordingly with your fingers the way you want. So this is my finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you guys did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel for more videos. Till then, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.